So, hello friends. Today we'll discuss about how to highlight the software code in WordPress. It was quite easy, and I have gone through that many plugin, but I found one plugin is the best one for WordPress, and where you can highlight your software code easily. So let's see. Suppose we have a code snippet, and this one I just wanted to highlight something like that. So it should be, you can see that how does it looks like. It should be in a green color, and the code should be, the software code should be highlighted in the best way, and it can be displayed into the blocks. So how to do that? We'll try to install this syntax highlighter evolve plugin, and we'll see that how to install it, and how to use it. So let's do it. First I will go to the WordPress website. Here we go. So this is the website. I will go to the there you can see that this is the I go to the WordPress admin center, and after that I will go to the plugin section and add new plugin, and here I will check the syntax highlighter. Okay, so this is the plugin we are looking for. So yeah, so we found this first one, this syntax highlighter evolve. If I click on that, the installation is in progress right now. Once it will progress, just we need to activate it here. Okay, so it has been activated. Yes, go to the settings now. After the settings, you have to you can see that what is the highlighter versions. You can choose the highlighter versions. If you want to choose the old one, you can go to the choose, and color theme is something here. You can change it, whatever the are dark, faded, eclipse, disango, whatever. I mean, this is the various color theme was there. I mean, that highlighters settings, you can change it here. So I will leave as usual as a default, and always load the language files. I don't want to check in additional CSS. You can give it here, and it is very clear about that how does it looks like. So you can see this is the way it looks like, and you can change it to give the title something like that, and you can change it here. Okay, the setting has been done already. Now what you need to do, you just go to the add a new post. Okay, and this is the post is there. I just give a just post. Okay, and I will just go click here. So you can what you need to do, you just need to see the two. First one is CSS, and your comments, your code, and the code is should be in so I will copy this code here. This is the code you have to copy. So I will go to the section, and I will publish it. if you want, you can go to the preview and you can see the next tab. How does this looks like? You can find it here. You can see that. Okay, so the test post is already included, and the things will highlighted something like that. So you can also post it here and publish the topics, and you can see the your post and source code was already highlighted as per we also see that. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching it.